Hello friend, welcome to my engineering hub. This is your narrator, Chief Engineer Ravi Gupta. Today we will talk about Swachh Sagar Portal. What is a Swachh Sagar Portal? Let us talk about. Swachh Sagar Portal is made by Director General of Shipping for the Indian flag state, in which they provide 5 facilities. The first is the port reception facility. The second is the ballast water management facility. The third is the bunker supplier information system. The fourth is the fuel consumption reporting, that is IMODCS. And fifth is the single use plastic. So basically, if a vessel is coming to the Indian port from foreign, then they can use this facility. So let's see one by one. First, see port reception facility. So basically, the port reception facility look like this. In this, suppose you are coming from France or Dubai to Indian port, let us take Mumbai. So what you have to do, you have to go here and you have to select which port you want to go. Like one of the port of Mumbai is this JNPT. So you have to select JNPT. After that, you have to select the name of the ship, the IMO number, what is the gross tonnage, what type of ship you are having. If you are having container, bulk carrier, that you have to ship type. After that, you have to type what is the name of the owner, what is your number, all the detail of the ship is need to be filled. After that, from where you are arriving, what is the last port of call, and all data you have to fill here. Means where you are going, where you are coming, and from where you will go after this port. After that, then you have to provide the main data, that is that what type of discharge you want to make. You want to make oily bilge water or you want to make sludge, how much quantity you want to make. After that, you have to confirm this. After that, you want to do annex to, then what category you want to make, that will you have to say. If you want to do sewage, you can also do how much quantity. Garbage, then which garbage, plastic, food waste, domestic, what type you want to do. And if you want ozone depleting substance, then what thing. So basically, depending upon that, you have to fill all the data and you have to submit. Okay, so this is the port reception facility which maximum ship uses whenever they're coming to India. They have to use through this portal Swachh Sagar. Okay, so if you have to use the reception facility, you can use it from here. Now let's talk about the second thing, that is the ballast water reporting form. This is the ballast water management which you are seeing here. If you open the form, it will look like this. So when you are submitting the form, what your present position, after that the detail of the vessels, and then the detail of the system, means what you are using. You are using D1 plus D2 or only D1 or D2. So basically, if you have the ballast water treatment system, then you are using only D2. If you don't have, you will be using D1. And if you have any issues, and then you may be using both. So that you write. After that, what type of installation, if any malfunction, then what malfunction is happened, and all that you have to put. After that, you have to provide all the information about the ballast tank, what is the capacity, how much treatment you have done, and what all. And after that, you have to submit. So here is the data regarding the ballast water management as per Swachh Sagar Portal. Now third, as you can see, I have told you, there is a bunker supplier information. This bunker supplier information look like this. So basically, you have to sign in, and after that you have to register here, and then you will get all the information of the bunker supplier which are certified by the Indian flag state to supply fuel oil in the respective port. If you want that who are the supplier in this port, you can get it from here. Now the other thing is that single use plastic prohibition. India has taken the oath of banning the single use plastic, and for that you can register here and you can use it. After that, there is a IMODCS which you need to fulfill when you are in the Indian port. So that is mainly about the Swachh Sagar Portal. If in examination they ask what is the Swachh Sagar Portal, so Swachh Sagar Portal is a portal which is developed by Reach Shipping of India for the Indian flag state, which provide 5 facility. You have to say like this, and this facility can be explained as this 5 name you have to take. And after that, if they want to know the detail, then you can explain the detail in this way, which I have explained you. Friends, if you think I have given something from this video, then please do subscribe and please do like our channel.